with one giant spike and then a little panel on the front to protect it from winds. And we got this one with two medium-sized spikes that go into the ground, but no flaps. But it does go pretty low to the ground, as you can see there. Now, we got this one with 1, 2, 3, and then 4 flaps. This thing has some armor, as you can see right there, that protects the winds from getting under it. So first, we're going to test this one. Let's just make sure it's low to the ground as possible. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! There it goes. It's gone. And then now we got this one. Yeah, this one's pretty strong. These spikes go pretty deep into the ground. And then now, this one with a panel on the front. And then a big spike that goes into the ground. I'll show you a picture right here of what it looks like. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Now, yep, this thing's strong.